Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Alright, so in today's video, we are gonna be replacing universal joint. We are starting to change differential universal U-joint. It goes over there. We have to lift the truck and then get this lift to lift that and then test it once we're done. And the bolts off. Rear one does not move whatsoever side to side, only up and down, no side to side action. You have to remove the clips on the inside and then slowly press it out so you can take it out. But this one is cooked, like it doesn't move at all the other way around. So the hard part is just getting these clips out because they're rusted in. Probably gonna use a flathead to crack them out. Okay, the first one's out. Make sure to clean where the clamps were, that area, so the new ones can go in on both ends. Okay, apparently the ones that we got were totally wrong size, and F250 U-joints do fit on a Raptor. Letting you guys know that. I'm walking back to put this one on. Hopefully it works out. This is 295 F, and this should technically fit in here based on my measurements, because this is a stock one, and this lines up the same way that one lines up. It's just this is probably an old design where this is fully steel and this one has a rubber piece in the back. So we'll try to put this back in, and this is greasable. It comes with a little nipple over here. This one has a nipple, so it has a different kind of clamp on the back. So we're gonna try to clamp this back in. Hard part is holding the phone at the same time as I'm doing this. Same thing, grab it with the pliers, squeeze them in. This is about a week after the install. As you can see, it's looking good. This is a previous oil. I didn't get the chance to clean that, but that's looking pretty clean for the week or so work, so I think I did it right.